Perplexity is the tool I wish existed when I was writing research papers.
It is not a general purpose chatbot. It is specifically designed to answer refetch questions with real-time web search,
citing its sources inline so you can verify every claim.
Think of it as a search engine that actually synthesizes information instead of just showing you a list of links. What it does well: for any question where accuracy and sourcing matter, Perplexity is often better than using ChatGPT or even Google search. It pulls from multiple sources, shows you exactly where each piece of information came from, and gives you a synthesized answer,
rather than 10 different links to read yourself. Where it falls short: it is not designed for creative writing, coding, or long conversation. It is a research tool, not a general assistant. The free tier limits pro search queries, the deeper multi-step research mode, to a fixed number per day. Pricing: the free tier is usable for casual research. Perplexity Pro is $20 per month and significantly increases pro search limits and access to more powerful underlying models. Best for students, researchers, journalists, and anyone who regularly needs to find accurate, sourced answers to specific questions quickly. ElevenLabs. ElevenLabs is the leading voice AI platform for text-to-speech and voice cloning. The quality gap between ElevenLabs and earlier text-to-speech tools is enormous. The voices are genuinely natural, with appropriate pacing, emotion, and inflection. What it does well: voice cloning from short audio samples, a massive library of pre-built voices across languages and styles, and professional quality narration output. For podcasts, video narration, audiobooks, and any application where voice quality matters, ElevenLabs is the benchmark. Where it falls short: the free tier is extremely limited, 10,000 characters per month, which translates to roughly 10 minutes of audio. High volume usage becomes expensive quickly. Voice cloning raises legitimate ethical concerns, and the platform has guardrails, but they're not perfect. Pricing: free tier, 10,000 characters. Starter, $5 per month. Creator, $22 per month. Pro, $99 per month. Best for creators who produce video or audio content, educators building courses, and developers building voice-enabled applications. Suno AI. Suno is one of the most remarkable AI tools to emerge recently. It generates complete songs from text descriptions, including vocals, instrumentation, and lyrics in under a minute. What it does well: the output quality is genuinely surprising. You can specify genre, mood, and tempo to get a usable song. For content creators who need background music or jingles, Suno removes the production barrier entirely. Where it falls short: control over specific musical details is limited. If you need precise BPM or exact structure, it may frustrate you. It interprets your prompt creatively rather than literally. Commercial licensing rights on the free tier are restricted. Pricing: free tier, 50 credits per day. Pro, $8 per month. Premier, $24 per month. Best for content creators, social media producers, and anyone who needs music without a production budget. Part 7. Productivity and workspace. ATA. Microsoft Copilot is AI embedded inside the Microsoft 365 ecosystem. Word, Excel, PowerPoint, Outlook, Teams. It's powered by OpenAI's models, deeply integrated with your organizational data through Microsoft Craft. For anyone who lives inside Microsoft 365, Copilot reduces the friction of everyday work significantly. Drafting emails from bullet points, summarizing meeting recordings in Teams, generating Excel formulas from plain English descriptions, building PowerPoint presentations from document outlines. These are genuinely useful, not gimmicks. Where it falls short. The enterprise-grade version with full organizational data access is expensive. The consumer-level Copilot in free Windows is much more limited. The quality varies significantly between applications. Pricing. Copilot Pro for individuals, $20 a month. Microsoft 365 Copilot for enterprise, $30 per user per month on top of existing subscriptions. Best for enterprise users, organizations already on Microsoft 365, and professionals who do significant work in Word, Excel, PowerPoint, and Teams. Notion AI brings generative capabilities directly into the Notion workspace. It is one of the most popular knowledge management and productivity tools among individuals and small teams. What it does well: summarizing existing notes and documents, drafting new content within context, and auto-filling databases. Because it has access to your existing Notion workspace, it can reference your actual documents rather than operating in isolation. Where it falls short: it requires a Notion subscription to use meaningfully. The AI quality for complex tasks is below dedicated tools like ChatGPT or Claude. It's an enhancement, not a standalone assistant. Pricing. Notion AI is $8 to $10 per user per month as an add-on to existing Notion plans. Best for teams and individuals already using Notion who want AI assistance within their existing knowledge base. Part 8. How to compare and choose. Now that we've covered the major tools, let me give you a practical framework for choosing. Step 1. Define your primary use case. Ask yourself, what is the one thing I most need AI to help me with? Writing, research, images, voice, code? Your answer should drive everything else. Step 2. Match the tool to the use case. For writing and reasoning, ChatGPT, Claude, or Gemini. For research with sources, Perplexity. For high-quality images, Midjourney for creative work, Firefly for commercial safety. For voice, ElevenLabs. For music, Suno. For productivity, Copilot, Gemini for workspace, or Notion AI. Step 3. Start with free tiers. Every major tool on this list has a free tier or trial. Use them before paying. Spend at least 1 week with the tool doing real work before deciding whether it's worth the subscription cost. Step 4. Evaluate on credits versus subscriptions. Credits work well if your usage is irregular. Subscriptions are better if you'll use the tool daily. Do the math to see which serves you better. Step 5. Audit your stack every 90 days. AI tools are evolving fast. A tool that was best in class 6 months ago may have fallen behind. Part 9. What's coming next? AI apps are just the surface layer. The natural next question is, can AI do things for you instead of just with you? That's what Layer 3 is about. AI agents. Systems that can plan, execute multi-step tasks, and operate autonomously. In the next episode, we'll break down exactly what AI agents are and why they matter. If this episode was useful, apply it immediately. Pick one tool you haven't tried yet and spend 20 minutes with it. I'm Santoshi, and this is the AI Stack, where we learn layer by layer and build real skills. See you in the next episode.